female giant swallowtail on the Florida native firebush, which is a magnet for hummingbirds and butterflies. The female swallowtail is larger than the male. If you are in Florida looking for one plant to attract hummingbirds and butterflies, look no further than the native Floridian firebush that has more like the red suckers. Gulf fritillary butterfly laying eggs. Polydamas swallowtail out feeding. Halloween pennant dragonfly. First time I've ever seen one of these. Orange and black. Here is the zebra long-ring butterfly, the state butterfly of Florida, officially recognized the state butterfly back in 1996. Katydid eggs on a leaf. Spice bush swallowtail caterpillar. So it's the
So all their heart, all their blood, their digestive system has to go through this little narrow tube.
Oh my
And you
goodness.
wonder why would you do that?
Wow.
What's the point?
Yeah. And they build their home in sand.
Yes, and they're solitary.
Oh wow.
So this is a female that's built her burrow here. I didn't get her. Oh, there she is. What is she? She's bringing something in her. Huh. Oh, she's digging.
Oh.
She's digging balls of dirt away and flying away with them. That's what she's doing. Here she comes. And usually to try to photograph these, it's very difficult because they're very skittish. But this is her nest, so she's not so shy. Yeah, she's digging out little balls of dirt and flying away with it. Here on July 12, 2025, I saw and heard the greatest amount of birds ever on this BioBlitz walk that I have attended. 15 different species, amazing, including the hummingbird, and 13 species of butterflies.